Imagine this: a hacker doesn't need your password to start pulling on the thread of your entire digital life. All they need is your email address. Your email address is the central key to your online world. It's linked to your banking, your social media, your shopping, even your work accounts. When you reuse the same email across dozens of platforms, you're essentially leaving one single doorway into everything you own online. Here's the danger when a website suffers a data breach. Hackers don't just grab passwords, they grab email addresses too. If your one email is floating around on multiple hacked databases, cyber criminals can start cross-referencing it. They may not have your password, but they now know exactly which services you use, making phishing attacks and targeted scams much easier. Hackers also know that your email is the recovery method for most accounts. Once they compromise one service, they can often trigger password resets on others, all linked back to the same email. That's called a domino effect. One weak link in the chain and the rest of your accounts could tumble. Beyond direct hacking, reusing your email ties together your personal identity across the internet. Advertisers, data brokers, and even scammers can build detailed profiles of you, your habits, your purchases, even your location. The more you reuse that email, the easier you make it to be tracked and exploited. So what should you do? Use different emails for different categories of accounts. For example, one for banking, one for shopping, one for social media. Consider throwaway or alias emails for sites you don't fully trust. And always pair your accounts with strong, unique passwords and multi-factor authentication. Your email isn't just an inbox, it's your online identity. Protect it like you protect your house keys, because once hackers have it, they don't just knock on one door. They can try to open them all.